Yo, BB, sick of sitting in this room all by myself. I can't even pick myself off the shelf, cause this bitch took me like a knife, stabbed it in my heart and I couldn't cry for help. This is her, she couldn't even give a fuck about you. She walked through the door and put you on a shoe. Now I'm thinking it, should I walk out that door and go find her? It's not a fat job and spit at her. I'm not that immature, but maybe, cause all these bitches got the rabies. You're always sitting there telling me what you think. Never give me the time of day except when I'm on your clit. And you never ask about me and my feelings. Just another puppet that you hang on your ceiling. So why don't you just leave me alone? I'm sick of thinking about you, I'm sick of fucking hearing you moan. Yawning, boring, the old man up there still fucking snoring. You're one hypocrite. Sucked someone else's dick, told me you loved it. Now you're telling me I'm worse than you, but I'm the one that you should be saying sorry to. Should've said sorry to me. Should've said sorry to me. You took my soul, castrated me and won, and left me on my own. Dug up that hole, chopped me up in two, and got rid of my bones. I'm bad, badder than Satan himself. I'm the demon that takes away your health. Stay away, girl, this soul's turned to stone. There's no going back, just me on my own. What kills us can only make you stronger. Stick to your Kellogg's, this shit's high in fiber. Got my love is sticking with FIFA. All these bitches do is give it a fever. I'm messed in the head. All I wanna do is go straight to bed, but I can't. This game, the controller's in your palms, but I can't finish it. I'm unarmed and I'm scarred, and the longer I fight it, the longer it lasts. Keep on spitting till my mouth goes dry, when my fingers turn blue and there's blood seeping from my eyes. Yeah, I may seem so negative, but it's only cause I know how it really is. The love, war, deceased and the means only really ever comes down to one piece. You took my soul, castrated me and won, and left me on my own. Dug up that hole, chopped me up in two, and got rid of my bones. I'm stopping with the depression I make. This whole house should be dropping. Did you like it if I got depressed? Unzip my armor and my bulletproof vest. Go on, I'll let you give it your best. Go on, I'll even give the ammunition to fill my chest with emptiness. In fact, here's my heart, my lungs, my soul, to stop me feeling, breathing, leave me alone in this hole. That's what I want, to endure this lonesome road, show my family, achieve this goal without a hope, to make the paper, to make it to the top. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, there's no reason in the stop. Yeah, I make it, yeah, I make it, and if I don't, I'll turn to the oak and I'll fucking break it. It's time to live, and it's time to die. There's no going back, just a man with wings ready to fly. Ready to fly. Yeah.